But I'm officially time traveling the level crossing in Australia. This is gonna be the part 2 on this today. So the part 1 actually got like a lot of views going on, so that's why I'm actually doing the part 2 of the Australian level crossing. This is this is pretty cool. Uh, yeah, this is actually the crossing that actually had the square-shaped lights. Yeah, you see like the I just says like Australia over there. Do you see that? So apparently the Australian level crossing actually looks similar to the one in New Zealand. This is, as you noticed, this is what the New Zealand crossing actually looks like, and in 2009 or 2008, this is what it used to look like. That is also pretty cool as well. But we're not here for that. We're actually here for Australia. See, like they actually have the square-shaped lights. The New Zealand level crossing should have, but it doesn't. And we also have the pedestrian gates over here too, which are made by a company called Magnetic Order Control, and the emergency exit gate. And do they have a release button? Hang on, I think that the pedestrian gates should have a release button. I was just curious about where are they. If you know where are they, let me know. So so yeah, this is what this side actually looks like. Let me show you the other side. And I will right there. So yep. So we have LED lights. I think they're actually made by a company called I don't know. Made in Australia. We have Western Cullen Hayes barriers and 2 Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bells. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let me get you back to this side, and then oops. There we go. All right. So this is gonna be the first crossing. It's in Cottesmore, Western Australia. This is what it looks like. Gerrard Street. So yep. So right now we are on July 2024. If we're going to 2020, we have a difference between them already. Nothing changed on the barrier or the mechanical bell. See if I go back. I think the lights might have shifted a little. So yeah, it just rotated the lights 45 degrees. Okay, now let's go to 2019. It's on, perhaps. So I can tell which one's LEDs. And nothing changes on the bell, but the cross marks actually changed. It used to be a background over there, which is over here. So this crossing actually used to have just the cross marks, not the background version. Okay, 2016. It's still on. I think they were incandescents now. 2014. Still nothing changes yet. I think it's the lights that has been changing sometimes. 2010. The lights got bigger. Actually, wait. Are they original incandescents or something? And whatever this is. It's crazy. Okay, now we go into 2007. It's on again. I believe these are original incandescent lights. Let me show you the outside. Yes, it's right there. It's the original lights here. Alright, let's go to the other crossings. I think I might time travel like 4 crossings. This is the first one. And I'll just go to the second one. So, yep. And you have to do this really slowly. See how it's blurring it just a bit? So, yeah. So we have the train tracks over there, and we're actually kind of following it to get to the other crossing. Most of them is just bridges. Yeah, it's right there. No, that's the bridge. I was wondering if that crossing might have got removed or something. Oh, the tracks just ended, or did it? Let's go to the other crossing in Australia. I think I will get that to it. Maybe somewhere close to sea. Right. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I can't find this train station here. Maybe it's somewhere. Maybe here. I just turn off the street view. Okay, that's a train track. There's like another crossing here. Alright, where is it? Oh, it's right there. So we have a crossing here that's also been here. Toadville Street. About Park, South Australia. Now let's see if I can time travel this. Oh yeah, there are some time traveling here. So yeah. So I think there's our storms lights or something, or maybe that these are the original United Group of Australia lights, or something like that. Apparently the bells over there are actually called Civetron Type 3 bells, or maybe that was the case. Maybe I used to have to get the mechanical bells, which were made by Richard Hayes or Grizzards. Don't know. So yep, 2023 still look the same. 2020 still look the same. Oh, never mind. The Butcher has got broken. 2019, nothing changes. Yeah. 2017. Whoa, the backgrounds are gone. 2015, the bell. Yeah. Oh no, why is the bell flat? Right, look at it. Why is the bell flat? Anyways, the lights have it's now incandescent in this year. 2013, still no changes. Although a part of the traffic lights that has been changing on there too. Maybe I should time travel that later. 2019, 2009. Whoa. Okay. What happened to the bell? Oh, it's right there, it's right there. What kind of bell is that? I wanna know. Okay, now we're on to 2008. Wait, let me go to the other side and see how it goes. Yeah, the bell. Oh, it's Winston His mechanical bell. Oh, it's right there too, it's hidden. Although it's pretty, it's pretty old, so. Alright, maybe about like 3 more crossings and that's it. Wait. Oh, okay. I thought that was just a road crossing. Maybe that was the pedestrian crossing. Alright, here's another one. Wait, it says no motorway. It's not a motorway. Okay, this one's a huge one. And whoa, look at that. It has the lights on the pedestrian. Actually, what happened to the crossing on the other side? Wait, where is it? I gotta find out what's going on. Oh, it's over there. Can't even see it over there because it's been separate. Anyways, let me make it back to 2015. Anyways, oh, why is it green? Hold on. Why is the pole green? Anyways, let's get to time traveling. Alright. So the lights are red. That's a green light. Nothing changes so far. Okay. Alright. I don't see any changes here yet. Oh, wait, did it change? Did it change? No. Okay. I like the still LED. Alright. A little hard to see on that one. By the way, this is Urban Park, South Australia. A7. There's a bright light on that one. Nothing changes still. Or maybe the light has been changed a little. Maybe it's from the United Group of Australia or something. Alright. Last one. Maybe the lights were actually original incandescent lights. Anyways, let me see what's on the other side. So apparently this is the same thing but on the other side. So I'm pretty sure this is the same. No. Wait, what? Okay, so it did change. It did change. This side was I still saved type 3 bells. But this one is just was a Grizzle Mechanical bells. Wow. I guess that solved that problem. Okay, so I might time travel one more Australia level crossing, and I think that would do for the video. Okay. It's blowing out chairs a bit. Whoops! I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay. This is Woodville Road, Street, South Australia. This one's also got the lights on top of it as well. On top of a traffic light. Oh, this one's really far away. So yeah, this is the original. This is the huge level crossing in Australia. This is the one I could find in this kind of street here. So I'm actually time traveling like onto a lot of dates going on. Okay, so why did it just blur the lights on top? Anyways, you can still see some of it. It's still attached onto it. Apparently, this is a rematch of Australia level crossing. Still no changes. Wow, they haven't changed this this crossing in a while. Same as the traffic lights. Bright lights going on, so I need to get this out of the way. Still no changes. Okay, now I did. Okay, so we have so back in the day there were traffic lights were not there, and we have a Winston Cullen Hayes mechanical bell, and same with the other side. We have another one. This one used to have the law that you can't turn right. I'm pretty sure it still exists by now. Yeah. So yeah, this is what it looks like back in the day, like in 2008. And let me show you the other side. Okay. Anyways, that's it for the Australian Level Crossing time travel. I'm actually going to give you a little bonus for you. So I might time travel one level crossing in New Zealand, and I know just a trick. I think it's Morningside Drive level crossing. I think this is it. I think this is it actually. Is it? So this is the New Zealand level crossing. Wait, let me actually get the background on so I can see what's going on. So here we have a train track in New Zealand. I need to find the Morningside Drive level crossing. And I think that's include the video. I'm sure it's over here somewhere. You know what? Never mind. Maybe Bruce McLaren Road. Bruce McLaren Road. Yeah, this is the level crossings that actually had the SafeTran Type 3 e-bells only here in New Zealand. Maybe somewhere in the North Island. Yeah, there it is. So this is like a little bonus for you. So I'm going to time travel the Morningside Drive or wait, no. One Bruce McLaren Road, level crossing in Auckland. So this is what it looks like today. And I've actually seen one of these like a lot of times, and I'm actually desperate to actually film this crossing, but unfortunately that's not the case. Anyways, let's time travel this level crossing. Actually, before we do that, I will show you the other side real quick. Yeah. And the road splits over there, so that's why there was like more light going on. So in the equipment, so we have much of the slots, boosting on slots, boosting on barriers, exception type 3 evils, and the boosting on his evils over there. So this is what it looks like. And just like Australia, they actually have magnetic auto control pedestrian gates and the emergency exit gate. This one actually has a release button. You can't really see it very well. I wonder if you can see it through here. Oh, yep, there it is. So it's my arrow. Anyways, let's get onto time traveling, level crossing in New Zealand. So here we have 2023 yeah, date. So no changes going on. Still have a recent on his e-bells. Now April 2022. It actually used to have 3 SafeChamp Type 3 e-bells, and apparently I think this SafeChamp Type 3 e-bells must have died off or something like that. Yeah, I think it died. Yeah, it just became a dead bell, and that's why it was actually not working right. So that's why it's yeah. So we have a so January 2021 once again summertime. We have September 2018. Apparently used to have the pedestrian gates, and now it only has the laces. This silver. Yeah. November 2017. Let me show the other side. Once again, the lights are not here. Here's one in 2014. That's the visiting kilometers evals now. Well, used to have August 2012. It just managed to rotate the lights. So I've so we have the original LED Monsters Appenders lights. Before they had it, I think I had the original Winston Cullen Hayes 12-inch lights. So 2009. So, and yep, it's on now. So this is what the original level crossing used to look like. This is pretty cool. So yeah, I think that's it for the video on the World Crossing time travel. So yeah, this is the Australian level crossing, and I'll see you guys next time.